Hey everybody. So today we are headed to Big O Tires because Adventure Rig 1, the Ram, does not have the proper size spare tire. It is running Falcon's 35-inch tires on it, and I've been running with a stock 33-inch tire as the spare. And I've just kind of been crossing my fingers hoping that I don't get a flat tire. Well, with all the adventures coming up, it's something I got to get taken care of. So we're headed off to Big O Tires. I already talked to them yesterday. They had to order one in from Nampa. It should be here, and we're going to try to get that installed in the stock place where the spare tire goes. The tricky part is because it's fit for a 33-inch tire. We're going to try to put a 35-inch tire in there. We have to air down the tire to get it to fit. And then you're probably wondering, well, okay, so if we're going to air down the tire, what are you going to do with the spare? Well, that's why I always carry a air compressor with me, or I'll have to start carrying an air compressor with me at all times. So there you go. So let's go. All right, we're here. Let's go inside and see if they have my tire and see if we can get this thing installed.
I like Jesse's girl. That's a good song. I mean, not like I don't like Jesse's girl, but you know, I like this song. You good? Yeah.
All right, they were able to get it installed. So if you look under here, you can see right there. Under there. Yeah, so now I feel safer already having a spare tire on Adventure Rig 1. So thanks.